welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Cash App not sending money. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try opening the activity feed and checking the details of your failed payment. It'll tell you exactly what the problem is. You can actually go ahead and tap on review to whitelist the recipient. If you haven't done the verification of your identity, simply go ahead and do that. And also make sure that you have provided full SSN and legal details, and also verify that your zip code matches your profile. If the bigger payment doesn't go, then you could try to go ahead and do smaller amounts first. And if there are any updates available for the application, definitely go ahead and do so. If none of it works, you might have to simply go to settings and help and then start a chat with their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next.